Welcome to Zeninbox. Keeping your account secure is our top priority. Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring a one-time code in addition to your password. How to enable Two-Factor Authentication. Navigate to General Settings in Zeninbox. Locate the Two-Factor Authentication section. Click Enable to start the setup. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter your current password. Enter your password and click Next. You'll need an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, iOS, Android. Authy, iOS, Android. Download and install your preferred authenticator. Open your authenticator app and select Scan QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on the Zeninbox setup screen. Your authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the code in Zeninbox and click Verify. Why enable two-factor authentication? Stronger security. Prevent unauthorized access. Protection from phishing. Even if your password is compromised, attackers won't be able to log in. Peace of mind. Keep your emails and data safe. Once enabled, you'll need to enter a 2FA code whenever you log into Zeninbox. Thank you for securing your Zeninbox account.